अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाह। हम बच्चों रात कर स्टार्ट चैप्टर रेस्पिरेशन इन ऑर्गेनिजम्स यथ मज पो इंट्रोडक्शन रिगार्डिंग रेस्पिरेशन एंड ब्रीथिंग। रेस्पिरेशन यह प्रोसेस दैट टेक्स प्लेस इन द सेल्स ऑफ एन ऑर्गेनिज्म। अत प्रोसेस दौरान क्या गसान फूड इज ब्रोकन डाउन एंड एनर्जी इज रिलीज्ड आउट ऑफ इट। सो as per our respiration is the process of breakdown of food inside the cells to release energy. Yus breakdown of food या yus food maz energy release gasan it can take place either in the presence or in absence of oxygen. Yus breakdown of food यह गसित in the presence of oxygen as well as in the absence of oxygen. Based on whether oxygen is present or absent, we classify this respiration into two types. One is aerobic respiration and another is anaerobic respiration. So, we classify respiration, the process of respiration, into two types based on whether it takes place in presence of oxygen or in absence of oxygen. If it takes place in presence of oxygen, then it is aerobic respiration, and if it takes place in absence of oxygen, then it is called anaerobic respiration. So aerobic respiration is that type of respiration which occurs in the presence of oxygen. So as to yaad aerobic respiration goes respiration agar a breakdown of food gets in the presence of oxygen, then it is aerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration agar breakdown of food gets but in absence of air, yeah, in absence of oxygen, yeah, without using oxygen. If breakdown of food takes place, it's called anaerobic respiration. What happens during aerobic respiration? Glucose, or which we get from food due to digestion of food, the glucose, it is oxidized, yeah, it is broken down using oxygen, and it gives carbon dioxide, water, and energy. So complete breakdown of glucose takes place. The glucose molecule is completely broken down into carbon dioxide and water, and during this process large amount of energy is released. And aerobic respiration, it mostly takes place in large animal organisms like humans, cats, dogs, etc. And in anaerobic respiration, what happens is the glucose or the food, it is incompletely broken down because no oxygen is used here, so it is not completely broken down. And what happens, alcohol is formed, carbon dioxide and energy is released. So the incomplete breakdown of glucose, it leads to formation of alcohol or sometimes lactic acid, carbon dioxide and energy. And this anaerobic respiration, it mostly takes place in yeasts or certain bacteria. Yeasts, these are single-celled organisms or unicellular organisms, and in them what happens, they can break down their food without using oxygen, and during this they form alcohol, mostly ethanol, carbon dioxide and energy. And here the amount of energy released, it is less as compared to that released during aerobic respiration. अगर अस वुचो ह्यूमन बींग्स यमन मज कुछ सात गसान anaerobic respiration. Mostly they perform aerobic respiration to meet their energy demand, but sometimes these humans, while performing heavy exercises like in case of when we are running or cycling, weightlifting, or whenever we are performing some heavy exercise, at that time our body or the muscle cells, they perform anaerobic respiration. Why it is done so? Why our muscle cells perform anaerobic respiration during heavy exercise? This is because इस पर heavy exercise करा साइन बॉडी एनर्जी रिक्वायरमेंट ज़्यादा या वनो ज़्यादा एनर्जी इस पर साइन बॉडी ज़रूरत या वनो एनर्जी हासिल करने खतर ज़्यादा ऑक्सीजन कर यूज़ फूड ब्रेक डाउन करने खतर ताकि तम ने एनर्जी वो इस पर एक्सरसाइज हैवी एक्सरसाइज सो कर चाहे रनिंग आसो करा साइकिलिंग वेट लिफ्टिंग वॉकिंग brisk walking etc. इस पर क्या गژھان یوٗتاہ أسۍ یورٕ oxygen blood supply کران چھِ to various cells تمہِ کھۄتہٕ زیادٕ چھُ آسان demand of oxygen ییٚلہِ نہٕ oxygen تیوٗتاہ میوٗلٕے sufficient oxygen میوٗلٕے کِہیٖنۍ body یا muscle cellن they perform at that time they perform anaerobic respiration. So the muscle cells or the muscles of human beings they perform anaerobic respiration while performing heavy exercises to meet the larger energy demand by the body. And what happens at that time, the glucose it is incompletely broken down into lactic acid, carbon dioxide and energy here. The lactic acid that comes as a byproduct, it gets accumulated in the muscles or it gets accumulated in muscle cells, and due to its accumulation muscle cramps occur. یہِ چھِ اَسہِ تۄہہِ تہِ آسیو وٕچھمُت کُنہِ دۄہ أسۍ واریاہ کٲم کَران چھِ واریاہ زیادٕ کٲم چاہے رَنِنٛگ کَرو یا بیٚیہِ کانٛہہ ہیوی ایٚکزَرسایز کَرو أسۍ پنٛنہِ گَرِ پَتہٕ چھِ أسۍ وَنان تِم زنٛگَن چھِ کٔرٕن دَگ سُہ ماز چھُ پھُٹمُت سُہ ماز پھُٹُن کیٛاہ چھُ اَصلی آسان یِہوے ایٚکوملیشَن آف لیکٹِک ایسِڈ اِن دَ مسل سیلٕز. وۄنۍ وٕچھو أسۍ یہِ کِتھ پٲٹھۍ ہٮ۪کو أسۍ پَتہٕ یُس زَن یہِ مسل کرٛیمپٕس یُس زَن گژھان چھِ ڈیوٗ ٹُو ایٚکوملیشَن آف لیکٹِک ایسِڈ أسۍ کِتھ پٲٹھۍ ہٮ۪کو اَمہِ نِش رِلیٖف حٲصِل کٔرِتھ. تَتھ خٲطرٕ کیٛاہ چھِ کَرُن آیدَر وی کین ٹیک ہاٹ واٹر باتھ اور باے ڈوٗیِنٛگ مساج. اگر أسۍ مساج کَرو یا گرم آبہٕ سۭتۍ سرٛان کَرو تمہِ سۭتۍ کیٛاہ چھِ گژھان یِم زَن سٲنۍ مسلٕز چھِ یِم چھِ رِلیکٕس گژھان یِم چھِ ییٚلہِ پٮ۪ٹھ یِم رِلیکٕس گژھان یُس اَتھ منٛز یہِ ایٚکوملیٹِڈ لیکٹِک ایسِڈ چھِ یہِ چھِ گژھان فٔردَر آکسِڈایز تہٕ اَتہِ چھِ بَنان کاربن ڈاے آکسایڈ واژر تہِ ایٚنَرجی اینٛڈ وی گیٹ رِلیٖف فرٛام دِ مسل کرٛیمپٕس. سو آز پوٚر اَسہِ وۄنۍ ٹایپٕس آف ریسپریشن ایروبِک ریسپریشن تہٕ انیروبِک ریسپریشن. ہوپ we will continue this chapter in our next lectures. توٚتام خُدا حافِظ.